Hello everyone, welcome back to Titan Tutorials. I'm going to show you very quickly how to change out or replace the fog light on your Nissan Titan. So the first thing we have to do is get under and look in the wheel well here, and there's going to be this cover that we're going to need to slip out from where it sits back here. We're going to pull that back. It's finally right here. Then the fog light is going to be down here at the bottom. We're going to turn that counterclockwise and the whole fog light will come out. Then it's just a matter of popping this bulb out from the clip. That bulb is just going to pull right off of the electrical plug right there. So here's the old one. You can see that it is burnt out and no good. So we'll get our new one and we'll plug it back up. This new plug is just going to fit nicely right into the existing plug. You'll feel it snap into place pretty quickly. Then it's just a matter of putting the light back into the housing at the front. Give it a clockwise turn and it'll be back into place, and that's it. That is exactly how you replace the fog light on your Nissan Titan. This was just a basic bulb from Sylvania, which I will put in the description if you would like to use it. But I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you next time at Titan Tutorials.